Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the type of the background on the Concepts application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Open a project and click to the settings icon on the upper right corner of the screen. And here you can select what should be your background: transparent, crumpled, light white, or more. If you step on it to the custom color option, you can select the color of the background. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.